Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan SE in gray. With automatic headlamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, panoramic sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 904768.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.